If you want to start playing League of Legends on your PC or laptop, just keep on watching because we'll be teaching you how you can download it for free. First step, open a web browser on your laptop and on the search tab, search for leagueoflegends.com. Then click the first result as this will redirect you to the official page or website of League of Legends where you can download the app for free. Next, just press the play for free button and it will redirect you to this page where you'll be asked to enter your email. So just enter the correct email address on the space, then press start. However, if you already have an account, just press the click to download button. Once you've clicked that button, you'll see an option to download for Windows League of Legends. So just press this button and you'll see on the top right corner of your screen the completed downloaded League of Legends application. The downloading might take a few minutes or a few seconds, so remember to be patient all the time. Once League of Legends has completely downloaded, this prompt will appear, so just press the blue install button. Once you've pressed the button and once you open your Riot Games account, you'll see that the League of Legends application is currently downloading, or in my case, updating. So once again, just wait for a few seconds or a few minutes before you can start playing League of Legends. Once all downloads and updates are done, you can start enjoying this cool and entertaining game on your PC and laptop. Don't forget to share this to your friends and family because League of Legends is best played when with your family, friends, loved ones, and even strangers. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.